This storage unit was wild. So my wife and I won an abandoned storage unit auction online, and this is at a brand new facility that just opened about 3 or 4 months ago. This unit looked really promising, and we're super excited to check out what we won.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy yourself.
Oh wow, it goes way back there too.
That's when you know your husband tricked you into this. There's this whole other section.
So we spent $310 on this unit, and look at that. We already got a cheap guitar. It has a sticker on it. $44.99. Spectrum. I've never even heard of that brand in my life.
Wait, so if this is a cheap guitar, it's okay if I smash?
Let's make sure it's cheap first. You're gonna huck it. So this is a 15 by 5 locker, and it's fairly full. In the pictures of the unit, when I bid, it looked like the pictures just went to kind of here. So I didn't see that there was like way more stuff back there, which is a good thing.
Is it a good thing?
So first initial sightseeing from what I saw on the pictures is we got a gun case, computer parts, boxes, and I fully expected these boxes to be empty. This one at least is.
No, there's something in
So
this one.
there's something in that one? Okay, cool. So it looks like a gun, maybe computer nerd unit. So this will be exciting. Let's get into it.
A littler.
Oh, that's useful.
We need this. Look,
What else we
buttons.
got? Buttons.
How many times do you ever want to push a button and you can't find one around?
It's like some sort of toggle switch.
Ooh,
Or,
don't push the red button. I've seen that in movies.
launch.
Ooh, a comb. This is a comb.
Probably should get a cart, huh?
Oh, there's soup. There's
Soup?
ramen noodles.
Ramen? Look at that.
Yeah, let's go for a ride.
Maybe later, babe.
Wait, aren't we gonna keep the guitar?
Oh no, we're keeping the guitar.
Okay.
This. Take those off, because I don't want anybody to see what those are. That is pretty wild. It's a bulletproof vest.
I feel stuck.
What the heck are you doing?
I just really wanted to be a part of it.
What's this in here?
A clip.
Yep,
See?
gun clip.
I know gun stuff.
We got this thing. Look at that. That's a big monitor. It's heavy. It's like a game PC monitor. That'll be an easy flip, maybe on Facebook Marketplace or something. Clothes, maybe. We got a lithium battery. Airsoft clip. We'll keep that. Some sort of computer.
Are those trash or are those keep?
Wow, those are crazy heavy.
Yeah.
Those are probably keep. I'm sure they're worth something. I don't know what they are.
I might know what they are.
Looks like a hard drive.
Yeah.
Yep, hard drive.
Oh look, there's a now there's mini less hard drive.
Yep.
Less hard drive.
Less hard drive. We can keep all these. Maybe there's Bitcoin on these, and we're rich.
I don't know what that means.
Oh, nice mouse. It's a Logitech. It's like a gaming mouse. Is that a multimeter right there?
I think it's a Whoosy What's It.
Klein Tools. Whoosy What's It? You're right. Oh boy. What is this? Oh, sweet. We got a mag, a BB mag, and then, oh baby.
Can you sell that?
This? It's probably got some value.
Batteries. What are those?
These are some sort of rubber insulated clamp assortment. Oh, a pin punch set. That's pretty nice.
It's always important to have your rubbers.
Oh,
Battery charger.
oh baby.
Save that for later.
This is heavy. We'll save that for the end.
Is that a battery or a battery charger?
It's a battery for like a power tool. A case. You ready? Ta-da-da-da-da. Another one. Wow. These feel like really nice ones.
Hey, it's a vacuum. No, I thought it was a vacuum cleaner.
Magazine.
And another one.
Another one.
And
Yeah.
another one.
And another one.
And another one.
And another one.
Just keeps giving around here.
Keep all that. Yep. We'll put it back in.
Okay, this is all kind of
Yeah, pretty much trash. Get rid of. Just food, so that's probably trash. It smells good though. I can smell the spices. Is there something in this?
Hey, doubt it.
Empty. Empty. What do you got? Oops. Oh boy. What do we got? Look at this. Holy moly.
Ooh.
Wow. Matrix
Hey, that's
Tactical.
how one of those things go.
Yep. Somebody was into airsoft.
Yeah, this is a softer type of air. What about whatever this thing is?
What is that?
It's for phone calls.
Oh, it's some sort of modem.
Ooh.
That's trash. I don't want to deal with that.
This is a Trader Joe's cooler bag.
That's actually nice. Yeah, pretty nice.
Maybe we can donate all these.
Yeah, we'll donate all the clothes for sure.
Ugh.
What? Ew. All right, I don't even
Where
want to.
are my gloves?
I don't even want to show what that is.
We're done in this box.
All right, this box is done, guys.
So done.
Whoa, that looks pretty awesome.
That's a mic.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. Yeah, this is really nice. Ooh! Now for a quick public service announcement by Pam.
People, don't put your nasty trash in your storage unit.
This has been a quick public service announcement by Pam. I see some maybe video games. You wanna do that one first?
No, what you see.
So first, we got this bin.
We already went through that one.
Oh, we went through this one? Mostly trash, huh? We got some gift cards. Those might have money on them. Never know. Xbox Gaming Pass. If anyone wants this Game Pass code, there it is. You can have it. I already have it, so first come, first serve. You can have it for free. Wires. Got some video games. Black Ops 2. And we got Modern Warfare 2, and we got Modern Warfare 3.
Good pair of scissors. Where were these earlier?
Those are definitely cheap. More tools and magazines. Invisible dehumidifier. Those could definitely be sold. Oh, this is new with tags. Look at that. Got tags on it. Clip and a clip. Wow, there's a lot of airsoft stuff here. This will be easy money. Oh, Modern Warfare for Xbox One. Is it in there? Yep, it's in there. Yep, I'll be able to sell that.
Lots of combs.
Maybe he likes to take care of himself. Yeah, he definitely likes to take care of himself.
Well,
Hey, look, cat food. Ooh, the couples quiz. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, a tool.
A tool.
Can use that.
Backup UPS.
2020 RAV4. That'll sell. Junk.
What about this thing?
Oh, wow. More tools. Look at all these tools. Why do you have so many tools?
Maybe this is MacGyver's.
A MacGyver's unit? Yeah. More tools.
But
More tools.
Tools.
A little mousy. Feels cheap. All right.
Oh, it's in there.
It's in there?
Yeah.
Voltec NBV2 27CB. Looks to be
Brand new.
brand
in there.
new. Yeah. We'll keep this.
Be bonfire.
That's bonfire worthy right there. Ooh.
Bag.
Oh, wow. Tools with lots of computer parts and junk. We'll keep this bag. This is a nice bag. Let's look.
I found some boxes. Those are all sealed.
All sealed Amazon boxes.
Bad people. A sealed
Bad
game.
people. Sealed game. What the heck?
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce. This looks like mostly trash. Kitty treats.
Sealed.
Yep.
Priceless.
Add that to the trash pile.
No
They're sealed, right?
preservatives. Yep.
Here.
Okay, so good.
We'll keep them for a cat. For me.
Oh wait, it's a nice block.
Oh. Oop.
Bubble wrap.
These look really nice. Oh, they're KitchenAid. Ooh.
Additional ones.
These might be, they look brand new. We'll keep those. Those will sell very well. KitchenAid's a great brand. Miscellaneous dresser. Oh boy. Looks promising.
Why would you keep this in your dresser?
A hard drive. 2 terabyte hard drive.
Key replacement?
Key replacement. Yeah.
I know I can't sleep without my key replacements next to my dresser.
Oh wow, that's nice. Little bit set. These are floor mats for a car. I don't know what car though. Does it say?
It's a Jeep.
Rainac Jeep. Oh really?
It says Jeep.
Awesome. Battlefield 4. We'll take it.
I don't want to disrespect any flags, so I'm just gonna hold on to that.
It's like a fireman's pride flag. Tell you what, we'll give this flag away on the channel. Comment down below flag, and then we'll pull a random comment in the next video. With your comment, make sure it says flag, it won't help you to comment more than once. So, yeah. What?
And only if they're going to take care of it.
Only if you take care of it. This isn't the correct way of folding the flag, but I mean,
Oh, I didn't know.
I don't know how to do it, so.
I'll look on YouTube and I'll figure it out.
Okay, great. Ooh, keyboard. Dell keyboard.
Goodwill one.
Goodwill one. That might be a donate. I don't think that's worth much of anything. All right, another bin. What do we got? What do you think? You think it's gonna be good or bad?
I think it's going to be a cluster.
A cluster. Boom. Catan. Oh,
Sucky.
brand new socks. We can sell those. We'll keep those. What's that?
That's a you.
Oh boy. Well, look at that.
I wish there was trash bags somewhere in this unit.
This looks like it might be junk, but all the wires are taken apart and
But
everything.
there's more.
There's more? Oh, wow. It's all just like pieces and parts.
You want to do a Tide Pod challenge? But they look yummy.
They do. Remember, we've still got that case there to go through. By the way, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, what the heck are you doing? Hit that subscribe button down below.
I'm going through bins. What are you doing?
All right, next
This
bin.
is heavy.
Heavy.
Well, heavy for the size.
Oh boy.
Big Mac.
Yummy! Computer stuff I have no idea about.
Oh, does this help with anything?
Cisco.
You can't show this, but computer
So,
stuff.
computer technician owned this unit. Just got his business card.
Good.
This is a Meraki MX7, whatever the heck that is.
It sounds like a vacation.
It does. So this is probably a keep, I guess. I mean, there's
Or at
probably
least
money there.
Go through. a
Go
little
through later,
more.
yeah.
It's that.
More tools. Wow. So this gives you guys an idea of like how storage units work. Like this is pretty much what we're gonna keep, and like more than half of it is we're either gonna donate or throw away. So a lot of work goes into this. So hit that like button. That's something we can tell you guys about doing storage units if you've never done one before, is they are a ton of work. They're a lot of fun. It's like Christmas morning and you never know what you're gonna find. The worst part is it's usually a total gamble. So you can work your butt off and make some really good profit, but you can also do the same thing and make nothing.
Don't show that.
Oh, I'll have to give this back. Literally a social security card. Now for a quick public service announcement by Pam.
Don't be stealing people's identities. That's not nice.
This has been a quick public service announcement by Pam. A
Yeah.
nice Reebok bag that I don't think I want. I'm gonna pass on that.
Yeah.
Oh, more tools? Oh, Call of Duty Ghosts. This guy likes Call of Duty. More tools. I'm probably gonna sell all the airsoft stuff locally because I don't think I can sell it on eBay. So I'll probably just make a huge lot of the airsoft stuff on Facebook Marketplace and sell it that way. Oh, another Call of Duty Ghost for Xbox One. Cool. Holy moly. Never believe it. It's tools.
Hey, it's for free.
I don't think he had enough tools. There you go.
Is this a good backpack? It looks actually pretty good. Pretty clean inside.
Yeah, we could
I don't know if that's
try
a
to
good
sell
brand.
it.
It probably
It
is.
does seem really nice, yeah. What the heck is that?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm brave enough to do it. Insulated bag.
Got some keys. Some sort of flash drive.
You might need that for the case or something.
Right. I'm gonna hold on to those, put
We
those in my
found that
pocket.
out. You know what I like about
Fold
this
it.
is there hasn't really been any personal stuff.
No, there
except for
hasn't.
that one.
Yeah.
Hey,
Little cast iron skillet.
love language.
Love language, better language for better love. All right. Hold on to that, I guess.
Didn't you say you wanted another one of these?
I did. Wow. That's a nice one, too.
And look.
Nice big old cast iron. Oh, I will use that. All right. What's that? Ooh, that looks interesting.
It looks empty.
Empty. Dang it.
Put that
Is it in there?
In the box.
Ooh, a nice clicky keyboard. Pam loves clicky keyboards.
I love. It's so satisfying.
This looks like a pretty good one. Let's see. Razer Black Widow mechanical.
Never out of the box.
Sealed. Yep. Car cleaner. Save that for Pam. Ooh, and a little squeegee.
Yeah, but don't forget about the toilet cleaner. Oh, more brand new socks.
Okay. No, those will be a donate thing for sure.
Oh, look. Then put them here.
Oh, okay.
These
So
are all closed. so
all
we
closed?
Can put all the
Awesome.
clothes
So
in
we can
there.
donate all these
We have a donate bin that's
really
actually
close.
right down the street.
Yeah, right on the way.
And we're really close to our house anyway.
Now, I mean, that's not to go to say that clothes are worthless, but we just don't really deal in clothes.
It's not our niche. We
It's not
tried
our
it
thing.
at first and it takes too long to flip.
Yeah,
For us.
for us. So unless it's something like super obscure and like really good, we usually just donate clothes. You know, like this is a pretty nice jacket, but you know, it's dirty, needs to be clean. Like that's not something I really want to do. I say that, and then something like this I would keep because this is a really nice Bills jersey.
It's a jersey. It's
yeah. Owens, is that any good though? Did Terrell Owens play for the Bills?
I don't know. You
I don't
think
even
that
know.
was custom made?
Might have been. Yeah. Might be worth donating as well, even though it's nice.
You want to look into it or no?
No.
Or do you want to risk it, donate it, look it up later, and then
Let's
you
do
can
that.
say
Let's
whether-
risk it and look it up later.
So
I don't think it's anything
figure out
good.
if this was a mistake.
Xbox Battlefield 1 game. What's this? Oh, we got a controller. What kind of controller is this? Google controller? I've never seen one of these before. It looks like it has a Google symbol on it.
Fun fact. These are sewing needles. I
Yep.
hate sewing needles. When I was little, I got one stuck in my foot.
Ouch.
Ugh, it gives me the heebie-jeebies, and it's one of those things where, like, whenever I see sewing needles, I can feel the foot and, like, where it hurt.
Yep. Sweet.
Power tool and a cord.
Oh, wow. This is really nice, actually.
Is this the
Yeah,
charger for
that's
it?
probably the charger for it.
Hey! Maybe Oakley wants this.
Oh, a cat scratching post. He could use that.
Here's the post. Hey, look!
Oh, there you go.
Trash bags. Oops.
Oh, perfect. So now we can sort the trash out before we even bring it out. Oh, wow, look at this. I might actually keep this. Gigantic power outlet. That is awesome. Now, we've gone through everything. We're gonna basically keep all of this. This will be our first load that we bring. And then this is either all gonna be donate or trash. So we'll go through this second. You probably guys won't see that, 'cause we won't bore you with doing that. But we have one more thing to do. We've got to open that gun case.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about
We've been saving that for last because
You
it
know-
felt heavy.
that. You know, we did just bury that.
I know, that was kind of
So-
stupid. We organized it from burn, so we'll have a good fire at our house. And then we got all the trash bags, and then these bags are all donate. Now, just for the finale.
Watch it be like something really stupid. And I'm like, so glad we just cleaned all that up.
Let's see what we got. Big money, big money, big money, big money, big money. Whoa, wow.
What is that? Well, I know what it is, but...
Combat machine. Airsoft. That's nice. Well, I think we definitely made our money back in this unit. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one.
Keep dreaming, you crazy little dreamers. Maybe you'll find a trash bag too.